Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Classic 360. Today, we're diving into a topic that's perfect for those just starting their fitness journey. Workouts for beginners. I'll cover different types of workouts, their advantages and disadvantages. Stay till the end and some tips to help you choose what's right for you. Let's get started. 1. Bodyweight workouts. First up, we have bodyweight workouts. These are exercises that use your own body weight as resistance. Think push-ups, squats, and lunges. Advantages. No equipment needed, so you can do them anywhere. Great for building strength and flexibility. Perfect for improving overall fitness without the intimidation of a gym. Disadvantages. Progress can plateau as you get stronger. May be challenging for those with mobility issues or injuries. If you're just starting, focus on mastering your form and gradually increasing your reps. 2. Cardio workouts. Next, let's talk about cardio workouts. This includes activities like walking, jogging, cycling, and swimming. Advantages. Excellent for improving heart health and endurance. Burns calories effectively, aiding in weight loss. Can be done solo or in a group setting, making it social if you want. Disadvantages. Overdoing it can lead to injuries, especially for beginners. Might feel monotonous if you're not mixing up your routine. A great tip is to start with low-impact options like walking or cycling to ease into it. 3. Strength training. Now, let's discuss strength training. This can be done with free weights, machines, or resistance bands. Advantages. Builds muscle, which helps boost metabolism. Increases bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Helps with overall strength and stability. Disadvantages. Requires proper technique to avoid injury, so learning from a trainer or following online tutorials is important. Access to equipment can be a barrier for some. If you're new to strength training, start with lighter weights and focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. 4. Group classes. Group classes are another fantastic option for beginners. Think yoga, spin, Zumba, or boot camps. Advantages. Motivating atmosphere with peers can keep you accountable. Instructors provide guidance and ensure you're doing exercises correctly. A fun way to explore different workouts. Disadvantages. Classes can sometimes be too fast-paced for beginners. Scheduling can be an issue, especially if you have a busy life. If you choose group classes, don't hesitate to communicate with the instructor about your fitness level. They're there to help. 5. Flexibility and recovery workouts. Last but not least, let's not forget about flexibility and recovery workouts like yoga and stretching. Advantages. Increases flexibility, reducing the risk of injury. Great for stress relief and relaxation. Improves mobility, which is essential for overall fitness. Disadvantages. May not feel intense enough for those looking for a more vigorous workout. Requires consistency to see benefits. Incorporating flexibility work into your routine can greatly enhance your performance in other workouts. To sum it all up, as a beginner, it's essential to find workouts that you enjoy and feel comfortable with. Experiment with different types, listen to your body, and don't rush the process.